and welcome to another one of these Honeydomen educational moments. We're going to talk today about the relationship between roofs and gutters and how they work together. And it's the roof's job to get the water to the gutter, and it's the gutter's job to carry the water away from the house. So sometimes we have water coming behind the gutter. It's usually not related to the gutter, it's usually related to the roof. So I'm going to look at a situation here where we have a new roof that was recently installed, and there's going to be an issue if we put a gutter, and I'm explaining why. So come a little closer. You can see here that the roof is pretty level. Now the gutter is supposed to be tucked in behind the drip edge when you're doing the normal installation, but if I do that, I'm going to push this up, and that's going to push up the roof, and that's going to cause a cupping in the roof. That cupping in the roof is going to hold water. The water sitting there over the next 5 to 10 years is going to end up getting pushed between the seams of the shingles, rust out the nails and drop in, and the homeowner is going to have problems and water stains here down the line. We want to avoid that because with our customers, we're not looking short term, we're looking long term. We want to build a relationship with them. We want to take care of them, throughout the years to come, because we want that repeat business. The next obvious solution would be to go right on top of the drip edge. If you go on top of the drip edge, you smash it down, because the shingle here is kind of level, the water is going to coagulate on the shingle, go back and run behind the gutter. Gutters do not make a watertight seal to a house, so just screw into the house. So now the homeowner's getting up with water behind here too, so that's not good either. It is better than having the water back here in the soffit, but still not the right answer. We're going to need to put in what's called short shingle flashing, which is a piece of metal that's used whenever a roofer shorts a house, or if something like here is done not properly. And it's to get the water from the roof into the gutter. What the roofer should have done is he actually should have just put the drip edge in and extended and left the gap about an 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, so we could have slid up behind it, and all this would have been avoided. Hope you found that educational and informative, and in the future, just keep an eye on things like this to make sure your house is done right.